In realms untouched by time, where peaks pierce the heavens, a journey beyond the known horizon begins. Nations whisper tales of solitude, cloaked in an endless, shifting veil. This is a world untamed, a canvas of raw beauty where nature's artistry unfolds in magnificent, boundless splendor. One soul, poised at the precipice of a new beginning, gazing into the profound embrace of an uncharted world. This is a story of courage, a quest for meaning beyond the familiar, into the heart of the world's hidden wonders. The relentless rhythm of routine, a daily awakening to a world that often feels confined, predictable, and small. Lost in the digital hum, disconnected from the present, we navigate the concrete jungles, yearning for something more. Day after day, the same walls, the same tasks, a quiet desperation growing amidst the hum of endless data. A silent plea in weary eyes, a longing for horizons far beyond the glow of a confining digital world. Through the labyrinth of concrete and steel, a soul wanders, seeking an escape from the relentless urban sprawl.
Memories of freedom, Captain Anelli for new uncharted paths.
A finger traces the contours of possibility, seeking the wild whispers of lands yet to be explored, a destiny unfolding. Decision is made, the path chosen, a silent vow to chase the echoes of a wild heart's true calling. Every item carefully chosen, every detail considered, for the journey demands preparedness, courage, and an open heart. With a quiet click, the past recedes, and the threshold of adventure beckons, a new chapter eagerly awaits. The journey begins, a solitary figure stepping into the dawn, guided by the promise of distant lands and untold stories. A single ticket, a one-way passage seals the commitment to adventure, leaving the familiar world far behind. With each step onto the steel beast, the traveler embraces the unknown, carried forward by an insatiable wanderlust. As the steel tracks vanish into the horizon, the world outside transforms into a tapestry of breathtaking, unspoiled beauty. Each passing landscape, a fleeting memory, etched into the mind, a silent promise of the wonders that lie ahead. The first page turned, the first words written, a personal chronicle of discovery, a testament to the journey's start. Where the tracks end and the wild begins, a new chapter unfolds, far from the echoes of modern civilization. Echoes of a forgotten past linger in these desolate ruins, monuments to lives lived and dreams lost to time. Through the ghost town silence, a lone explorer walks, tracing the footsteps of those who once called this ancient land home. Behind this ancient door, stories lie hidden, etched in wood and stone, waiting for a curious soul to uncover them. Nature's gentle embrace slowly reclaims what was once man's, weaving new life into the silent, crumbling stone. Each broken shard, each forgotten tool, whispers secrets of lives lived long ago, echoing through the silent dust. With every click, history is preserved, fragments of a forgotten world captured through the lens of a dedicated explorer. As the sun dips below the horizon, these ancient stones glow with a final, golden light, whispering tales of a vanished world. Beyond the light, a new challenge awaits. The ancient forest beckons, its shadowed depths holding secrets yet untold. Through the tangled embrace of the forest, every step an effort, every breath a testament to enduring spirit. Across the cold, clear waters, a delicate dance of balance, a small victory in the grand tapestry of the wild. The sky darkens, a tempest brews, nature's raw power descends, testing the spirit of the intrepid adventurer. Against the relentless downpour, a battle for shelter, a testament to resilience in the face of nature's fury. Within the fragile shelter, amidst the storm's fury, a quiet introspection, a moment of doubt and profound solitude. The dancing flames, a primal comfort in the wild, casting away the shadows, illuminating the path forward.
Under the boundless canvas of a million stars, a profound sense of wonder, a reminder of our place in the cosmos.
As dawn breaks, the world awakens in a symphony of light and color, a fresh promise painted across the sky. A flash of vibrant life, a rare gem in the emerald embrace of the forest, a testament to nature's artistry. A hidden oasis, a symphony of cascading water, a pristine sanctuary discovered deep within nature's untouched heart. In that moment, pure joy erupts, a soul touched by the profound beauty of the wild, forever transformed. Washing away the past, embracing the present, a wild dance in the rain, a soul reborn in nature's embrace. In the quiet heart of the wild, life thrives, a delicate balance, a testament to nature's enduring, gentle spirit. With every click, a moment of pure joy, a memory etched, a testament to the profound beauty of being alive. In the quiet solitude, a truth emerges, etched in ink. I am alive, a powerful declaration of existence. The final ascent, each step a testament to willpower, pushing beyond limits towards an unseen, promised reward. At last, the reward, a jewel of the mountains, a pristine lake, reflecting the heavens in its tranquil, pure depths. This is paradise found, a sanctuary where nature's grandeur unfolds, a breathtaking symphony of untouched beauty. A mirror to the heavens, the lake reflects a perfect world, a tranquil canvas of sky and silent towering peaks. A gentle touch, a profound connection. The traveler finds solace, a deep sense of belonging within nature's embrace. Tears of wonder, a heart overflowing with gratitude. The journey's profound impact etched in every glistening drop. From every angle, a masterpiece unfolds. This untouched paradise, a symphony of silence and unparalleled beauty. Here, by the tranquil waters, the journey culminates in peace, a soul at harmony with the vast, wild world. Each photograph a story, each image a memory. The journey's tapestry, woven with courage, wonder, and growth. Turning, not the same, transformed by the wild, carrying stories of resilience, wisdom, and an unyielding spirit. The concrete jungle reappears, a distant hum replacing nature's symphony. A new perspective awaits within its grasp. The stories shared, the wonders unveiled. A testament to courage, inspiring others to seek their own profound horizons. Through shared images, the world expands, inspiring new dreams, sparking the fires of wanderlust in every heart. The journey never truly ends. A new map, a new dream, a new horizon calls, forever beckoning the adventurer's spirit. So, where will your heart lead you? What unknown horizons await your courage, your spirit, your extraordinary journey?